Hi, at the time of filming this video, Stylevana's advent calendar is available for pre-order. Let's hope it doesn't sell out very quickly. Stock is showing as limited, but they have done this before, indicated that there was only 25% of stock left. And then, it appeared to go on forever. I think this was possibly to create a feeling of fear of, sort of fear of missing out or something. So I think stock should be there for a bit longer. Anyway, where to buy is linked in the description box below. I've got UK links, US links, and EU links. And now, according to them, the codes are not supposed to work, but some people have said they've had success with codes, others have not. So I think it all depends on which order it is of yours and, the particular circumstances under which you're ordering. I think, some people have written in to say, sorry, no code worked at all. Other people have said, those particular codes that the previous people tried, they worked for them. Oh well. Anyway, the price is $208 US or £186. Now that is without any code. They have a special pre-order discount, so it is now down to $169.99. Some people have used code successfully, some have not. Just for comparison, Yes Style is £127 or $161. But somebody actually managed to use a code and get Stylevana for $160-ish, the same price as Yes Style. But remember, Yes Style's pricing that I've just told you is without any codes. You will be able to use codes on Yes Style, at least 2 codes, and get at least 10% off the price of Yes Style. Anyway, the calendar looks like that, and it contains 24 products, same as Yes Style, but a couple of the products in here are not actually full-sized, unlike Yes Style this year, where everything is full-sized. So let's take a look at the contents. The first product is a Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol, full-sized at 30 mils, retailing at £13.61. All prices are the full retail values given on Stylevana themselves, because I did that for Yes Style and not the discounted prices. The second product is the Some By Me Retinol Intense Trial Kit. This is a set of 2 mini items. It's a mini face serum and a mini eye cream. Despite both these items being mini, the set retails at £15.19, so I will be counting that. The full size of this eye cream is included in the Yes Style Advent Calendar. The third product is the Frudia Mango Honey Sleep Lip Mask. This is full sized at 10 grams and retails at £5.77. The next product is not full sized. It is the Hamish All Clean Balm in Mandarin. That is only 50 mils. Full size is 120 mils. So regardless of whether they sell, if people do sell samples or not, I'm not going to count this as full size. The next product though is indeed full sized. It is the Mary and May Vegan Niacinamide Panthenol Sun Cushion SPF 50. 25 grams. That's actually a cushion compact which contains SPF. So I'm not sure whether there will be a whitish cast or not, because a sunscreen cushion compact isn't something that I personally have tried out before, but should be interesting. This is priced at $28.82, but is currently discounted at £12.39. The next product is the Cynic Enjoy Superactive Airy Sun Stick SPF 50, full sized at 15 grams, retailing at £11.44. So the previous product was a sunscreen compact, and this is a sunscreen stick. The next is the third sunscreen in this advent calendar. It is from Skin 1004, famous for their Madagascar range. So you get the Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum SPF 50, full sized at 50 mils, retailing at £14.75. So 3 sunscreens in this advent calendar. While I love getting sunscreen in advent calendar, I would have liked, one of those products, the stick, because, applying sticks doesn't sound very, hygienic. I mean, you'd be applying that product surface on your skin over and over. So instead of the stick, I would have liked something else, some nice, gorgeous lipstick, something very innovative instead. Anyway, the next product is a Mimi Box. Oh my god, who remembers Mimi Box? I'm Pep Balm Recharger. 15 grams, full size, retailing at £4.69. This is actually a tinted cheek and lip product. The next product is not full sized. We've seen this in Mimi boxes actually, those who used to buy Mimi box. Lado Scalp Scaling Spa Shampoo. You get 15 grams, you get a single tube. Box of 4 is full size, so I'm not going to count this. You can see that picture, box of 4. The next product is from a brand I absolutely adore. It is from Roto, the same brand. It's a Japanese brand, the same brand that does Huda Labo, my beloved Huda Labo. So this is the Roto Mentolatum Water Lip Color Balm with SPF 20. You get the shade Peach Gold. This is also full size, retailing at £3.37. I am delighted to see Roto make an appearance in Advent calendars. Somebody should do a J Beauty Advent calendar. I'd be all over it if everything is full sized. Huda Labo. The next product is from Isintry. I do wish somebody would send out that gorgeous full sized bifido ampoule of theirs, which I absolutely adore. Now you get the Chestnut AHA 8% clear essence here, which is full sized at 100 mils and retails at £14.49. The next product is the VT Riedel Shot 50 mils. This retails at £24.69. What it is an ampoule containing cica, propolis, a number of good ingredients, people. Anyway, the next product is the oft rebranded Tiam. Remember their very legendary, iconic, famous vitamin C serum back in the day. Now this time you get the Tiam Vita B Sauce, another serum, people. That is 40 mils, indeed full sized, retailing at £14.30. Now I have the old version of the Vita B3 sauce, yellow packaging, but a slightly different design there. And I quite liked it back in the day. Now I no longer use it because my skin's needs have changed a lot. I think I still have a bottle somewhere or the other in my stash. The next product is from Numbuzin, whose toner I love. You get the number 3 softening serum, 50 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £22.42. I already have this product. It's an alright serum. I prefer the Purito Centella unscented green level serum, but I wouldn't have minded trying this out if I already didn't have it. I'm not saying it's a bad serum, it's a good serum. I'm saying I like my Purito better, having tried both out. The next product is the Petit Fee Black Pearl and Gold Hydrogel Eye Patches. You get the same 30 pair, that is 60 individual patches box as you see in Yes Style. This is also full size, retailing at £10.58. The next product is another batch of under eye patches. Good old green tangerine Vita C Eye Gel Patches. You get 60 patches, that is 30 pairs, my friends. That is also full size, retailing at £16. So I don't know why they've chosen to send 2 boxes of under eye patches. I mean, I wish one had been something else. And, 3 sunscreens, including a stick. I don't mind sunscreen. Send sunscreen by all means. But, the stick sunscreen is not up my alley. But, yeah, I mean, it's not bad value. Yeah, it's just that, it is a bit repetitive there. Next, you have an eyeshadow, Riri Luxe Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Nude Glam, which is full size, retailing at £8.11. This isn't something that I'm hugely excited about because A, I'm not a fan of the shade. The shade is Nude Glam, and I think it will be too pale for my skin tone, definitely. Secondly, instead of one liquid eyeshadow, I would have liked to see a bit of a, palette there. A 9-panel or something maybe. The next product is from Haru Haru. It is the Centella ACE Vita Full Miracle Healing Multi Balm. You get 26 grams, which is indeed full size, retailing at £22.42. I wanted the Wonder Toner, the Black Rice Toner from Haru Haru, which is why I am going to be trying to get Yes Style instead of Stylevana, because that has more products that I want, fewer products that I have. Anyway, the next product is from Romand, not a quad, not an eyeshadow at all. Yes Style had a brow fixer. These people have a mascara in the shade Long Ash. There are 2 shades for this mascara, Long Ash and Long Black. We're getting Long Ash. This is also full-sized and retails at £13.99. Next is Purito. I do wish somebody would send out either the Centella Serum Unscented or the Galactonize Essence. Because, all are absolute staples in my routine, and it would be nice not to have to buy one of them at least once, yeah? Instead, we're getting from Purito the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream, 50 grams, indeed full size, retailing at £51.21. The next product is the Abib Rice Probiotics Overnight Mask Barrier Jelly. That is 80 mils, which is indeed full size, retailing at £22.42. The next product is from Farmstay. Farmstay used to have these very voluminous containers, because they're gels, for instance, or face moisturizers. They were very, very affordable and came in 300ml tubs, and that meant that they'd go a long way and didn't cost a bomb. So this time though, we are getting the Eau de Perfume hand cream in Forest Moonlight. 100 mils is what we get, which is indeed full size, retailing at £5.99. I told you they were, larger sized than normal, so 100 mils of hand cream. And yeah, very, very, very affordable, just £5.99. The next product is the Manio Bifida Biome Complex Ampoule, a product that I absolutely love and highly recommend. 50 mils is what you get, which is indeed full size, retailing at £26.39. I already have the Manio Bifida Ampoule. I think it is a brilliant product. I love my Bifida serums. They're very good at reducing acne, which means that I have to restart using them. Did you see those giant Mount Everest size cysts on my mug right now? A third one here. Traveling always does that, as does stress, and yeah, I need to get back with my proper skincare routine. Anyway, I like Manio's Bifida Ampoule, and I also like the Isintry Bifida Ampoule. Both, there's not much to pick and choose. Nature Kind has a good Bifida Ampoule as well. So all three Bifida Ampoules that I've used so far I really liked. I couldn't really pick and choose. Personal choice there. Anyway, the last product in this advent calendar is the Unleashia non-sticky dazzle tint in the shade Glow Day, which is full size, retailing at £12.81. So I won't be counting the two non-full size products. Other than that, I will just do a quick price breakdown of the 22 full sizes in here. The Beauty of Joseon eye cream is £13.61. The Sun By Me retinol kit is £15.19. The Frugia lip mask is £5.77. You get £34.57. The Mary and May sun cushion is £28.82. I will not be counting the discounted price. I will be counting the full price as given on Stylevana, and that gives you £63.39. The Cynic sun stick is £11.44. That gives you £74.83. The Mimi Box I'm Pep Balm is £4.69. That gives you £79.52. The Roto Lip Balm is £3.37. That gives you £82.89. The Isintry Essence is £14.49. That gives you £97.38. The Riedel Short is £24.69. That gives you £127.07. Sorry, 7 pence. The Skin 1004 Sun Serum is £14.75. That gives you £36.82. The Tiamvita B3 is £14.30. That gives you £151.12. The Nimbus number 3 Softening Serum is £22.42. That gives you £173.54. The Petit Fee Under Eye Patches are £10.58. That gives you £184.12. £184.12. The Re-Ray Liquid Eyeshadow is £8.11. That gives you £192.23. The Haru Haru Multi Balm is £22.42, and the Romand Mascara is £13.99. And the Purito Deep Sea Water Cream is £15.21. That gives you £243.85. The Rice Probiotics Mask is £22.42. That gives you £266.27. The Farms Day Hand Cream is just £5.99. That gives you £272.26. The Good All Under Eye Patches are 16 quid. That gives you £288.26. The Manio Bifida Ampoule is £26.39. That gives you £314.65. The Unleashia Tint is £12.81. That gives you £327.46. You can, if you want, add the price for which that Hamish cleansing balm 50 mils is being sold, which is 8 quid, 59 to be precise, so that will give you 337. So the total value of all the products in this advent calendar is £337 approximately, because prices of each product changes each day depending on the exchange rate and everything. For YesStyle, the total value came up to $412. There's a reason I'm telling you this. So remember, for all the full sizes alone, Stylevana comes up to $327.46. YesStyle approximately $412.05. Now, when you convert the currency on the 14th of September, I am getting $412 is approximately equal to £329. Are they related? Are the owners related? Is somebody working for the same, for both people? Because, the value is very, very, very close. $327.46 is what I am getting. Pounds and dollars, 412. I convert and the exchange rate, oh my god, they add up to almost the same thing. This is insane. So I find that very, very interesting. That I wonder how related they are to each other. Somebody else a couple of years ago brought up this point on this channel in a comment and said, you know, I suspect they've got more to do with each other than they let out. That's probably true. I don't know. Anyway, what are my thoughts? I personally prefer Yes Style because A, I have 3 products already in this advent calendar. B, I want that Haru Haru Wonder Toner. C, I wouldn't have minded 3 sunscreens, but one of them is a stick, and I don't like sunscreen sticks very much at all. And 2 sets of under eye patches. I mean, I don't really remember to use under eye patches regularly in my routine. I probably have to give at least 1 away. And by the time I remember to finish using the 1 box I would have, they probably have dried out towards the end. So yeah, a big box of under eye patches is fine. 2 big boxes of under eye patches, not a fan. I think Stylevana is also a bit skincare heavy, whereas Yes Style was a bit, you know, I'm not saying makeup heavy. Yes Style had everything from a cleansing balm to a second cleanser to all the skincare products that you would need for a full routine, and some makeup as well. There was a brow product, a mascara, a cheek, a blush, a couple of lip tints and so on, a palette and a brush set. So I think that was a bit of a, I mean, they had some makeup as well in addition to skincare. Stylevana is more skincare centric because they've sent out 3 different SPF products and 2 different under eye patch products. So yeah, it's minor differences that don't really change the value of either calendar, but it, you know, might vary depending on your personal preferences and what you have in your stash. And because Yes Style has some lip tints which I like the idea. I mean, I like Korean lip tints and I like playing with lippies, which is why I keep asking for lipsticks and advent calendars. I enjoy playing with them. So if you don't want to play with any makeup at all, I think Stylevana is a better choice. On the other hand, if you don't mind a bit of makeup, and you know there is enough skincare for a whole routine as well, you want to try new skincare as well, then Yes Style is the better choice. I think this is a very personal decision and one that you'd have to take for yourself. Both calendars have very equal value. The cost may be slightly different depending on the codes though, so it all depends on what products you want. If you don't mind a sunscreen stick versus if you don't mind a glitter palette. For me, both are big fat dots. Whether it's a glitter palette or a sunscreen stick, neither is going to be very useful. But I dare say, you know, among all those 9 shades in that glitter palette, I'd be able to use a couple. So let's see. I'm you know, getting Yes Style personally, but I don't think either is about calendar, and there is nothing much to pick and choose between them. So a very personal decision here whether you want Yes Style or Stylevana, or when in doubt, buy both. Are you doing that? What are your thoughts on Stylevana? Do you think it's as good as Yes Style or as bad as Yes Style or very, very similar there? Do tell me your thoughts about this in the comments below. I'd love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.